sing when we would promote our movies. Please join us if you remember this.
Okay, panggabi kasi ako, kaya tonight itong kantang ito. Ngayon lang namin gagawin ito. Biro lang. Saan po ako? Baka magkamali ako, pasensya na lang.
Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. It seems the natural thing to do. Ikaw na.
Tonight, no one's gonna find it. The world behind us. When I make love to you.
Tonight, I celebrate my love for you and hope that deep inside you feel it too.
Tonight, our spirits will be climbing to a sky lit up with diamonds.
When I make love to you tonight. Everybody join us. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And the midnight sun is gonna come shining through.
There'll be no distance between us.
What I want most to do is to get close to you tonight. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And soon, this old world will seem brand new.
Tonight, we will both discover how friends turned into lovers. When I make love to you.
Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And the midnight sun is gonna come shining through.
There'll be no distance between us.
What I want most to do is to get close to you tonight. I celebrate my love for you tonight. Thank you so much, everyone. We love
Nice
you.
one. Thank you very
God
much.
bless everyone. And gusto niyo po bang
Good night, everybody.
sundan pa ulit ito? This is another song we used to sing all the time.
Okay, okay.
Please take
Sing
care of
along now.
yourselves as you drive back home, and please just have a great night. We hope we made new memories together tonight with all of you. If we both decide to try and make it one more time, I hope we'll take the time to know each other well. And if we learn to keep, if the answers don't come quick, we'll go with how it feels. And sometimes that's not yes or no, but maybe there'll be no falling stars this time around. I still believe that honesty is all we'll ever need. You and me again. Maybe.
Ito, mahirap to.
You keep asking me
inyo merong EV? Naka-charge ba kayo? Let's do this. Let's do this. Kung tayo ay matanda, sana'y hindi tayo magbago.
Everyone now.
Kailangan nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hakanap yakapin? Oh, hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagdasal sa'yo kung pa kaya'y ibigin mo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok natin lahat. Ready?
Ng araw, ang inyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mga ngarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok. So you have to sing with us.
Everybody, sing with us. Okay. Ang next, ang nakalipas. Ready? That's it. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin.
Ipapaalala ko sa'yo. That's so sweet. Ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Everybody sing with us now,
Okay,
please.
sabay-sabay tayo. Ang sweet naman itong dalawang to. Grabe. Ang pangalan ninyo? Palakpakan po sa mga.
Nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako. Ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. We love you. So, paano to? We can't leave them without singing this.
This song talaga, alam niyo kung kanta to. This will be our last song tonight. And we will go to that side. We will go to that side for this song because we've not done that yet. Ladies and gentlemen.